Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this pretty nice late Friday afternoon. We've got some pretty big weather changes on tap, unfortunately, for the weekend. Doesn't look great. In the meantime, looking at Newport with sunshine and temperatures that reach the upper 40s to lower 50s. So overall, pretty nice day as we take a peek at our threat tracker, which is low for tonight. Bumping it up to yellow weather alert specifically for Saturday. A lot of rain on the way, a little bit of snow, but this is mostly rain up to an inch. The rain will actually end as a brief period of snow. This would be late Saturday afternoon, early Saturday evening. Little to no accumulation, and the winds are going to be a factor as well. Getting some strong gusts in that 35 to 50 mile per hour range, and then a very rapid drop in temperature. Saturday afternoon, especially Saturday night and Sunday. Don't put away the winter coats yet, even though it was in the low 50s today. Sunday looking okay in that it's a dry day, but it's very windy and quite cold, at least for this time of year. So satellite photo shows just some thin clouds overhead. Precipitation that we're watching is coming out of the Gulf Coast in the deep south. This is all tracking north and east. So when we put this into motion, and here we go, let's take you into, well, this is this evening. The weather's fine. You're heading out tonight looking okay. After midnight and towards daybreak, showers are already starting to work in. The green is rain, the blue is snow. So we're on the front side of this system, the mild side of it. So we're getting rain heavy at times, especially during the afternoon. This is around 12 noon. All this darker green and yellow and red is some heavy rain. And then just to the west, this is the transition line over to snow. And we start to see this change over to snow, but it's brief. Late afternoon and early evening. This is around 4 o'clock. So by the time the air gets cold enough to support snow, most of the moisture is moving out. So as far as accumulating snow, not overly concerned. I mean, there may be some coatings in the northern part of the state. In fact, watch what happens early Saturday evening. A lot of that snow, what's left of it, is pulling away. Skies are clearing out. Very windy Saturday night into Sunday, especially Sunday morning. And it's just going to drive in some unseasonably cold air, unfortunately. Snow accumulations, and again, this is mainly a Berkshires, Western Mass, Northwest Connecticut, Adirondacks, Northern New England ski country. Your season is not over yet. The mountains, the green and whites, getting quite a bit of snow out of this on Saturday evening. For us here in Southern New England, little to no accumulation. Just the northwest corner of the state may get a little coating. That's about it. So that's where we have our winter storm warnings and advisories. You can see it does not include our area, but it does include Worcester County and Northwest Connecticut. And then this pink area on the Connecticut, actually the Massachusetts-New York border, it's a winter storm warning, and winter storm warnings, no surprise here for northern New England. As far as wind advisories, this was just issued from the Weather Service, a wind advisory for the areas in tan for Saturday afternoon through early Sunday morning. Now, technically, well, first of all, the weather doesn't follow political boundaries. But with that said, the higher concentration of winds for the area shaded in light brown, this doesn't mean that we're not going to be windy here in Rhode Island and in New Bedford. We're going to be very, very windy. And we could very well get upgraded to a wind advisory. But for now, this is where the advisories are in effect for wind for Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, and Sunday morning. All right, so for tonight, you heading out? You've got dinner plans and things like that. The evening's fine. It's after midnight and towards daybreak we start to get some light showers in here. Look at the temperature actually going up rather than falling. Talk about very changeable. I mean, 7 a.m. it's 42. Light rain. 9 a.m. light rain. The rain is much heavier by 11 a.m. Temperature at 46. Look at the big change in the afternoon. And here we go. Noontime, 1 o'clock, rain, the wind's starting to pick up. So the wind around here isn't really a factor until the afternoon and Saturday night, Sunday morning. So rain, 1 o'clock at 40. But look at 3 o'clock, it's dropped to 34. We're changing over to light snow. The wind is picking up. And then you go over to 5 o'clock in the evening, much colder, down to 30. Very windy with some leftover light snow showers. And then for your Saturday evening, Saturday night, it's actually clearing out. It's dry, but it's windy, exceptionally cold, wind chills, in the teens. Sunday's a dry day, but by no means is Sunday comfortable. We've got some sunshine, but it's very windy and unseasonably chilly. So, yeah, a lot of ups and downs this weekend. The New England weather roller coaster ride, which is very typical as we get closer to early spring. You get a lot of ups and downs, and that's a classic example this weekend. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.